Bullish Dogecoin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 33 cents and 63 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Doge could reach 26 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 5 cents. Dogecoin presentation. Programming engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer concocted the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge, as a joke because of the then uncontrolled cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. Notwithstanding being wry, certain individuals view it as a suitable monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's seal and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its internet-based local area. By May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It currently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the forecasts recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. Anyway, how about we jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Shared, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective money and an amusing image coin. An outline of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. In spite of the fact that it was at first imagined as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in fame. At the point when the digital currency bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost quite a bit of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. Furthermore, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin are deflationary, yet Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into dissemination as mining rewards is divided at regular intervals, and until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it is uncovered makes the offer increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is presently no rush toward and claimed hard cap. This balances out the organization's possibilities for what's in store. Subsequently, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing biological system development, despite the fact that its origin was set apart by specialists and content makers tipping each other. It has developed into a completely utilitarian money that can be utilized for regular uses. Dogecoin is as of now worth 7 cents USD. Doge has moved 0.28% as of now with an exchanging volume of $348,600,544. Dogecoin is at present positioned 8 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $10,995,560,345 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Dogecoin to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Doge cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 8 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 18 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 14 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 16 cents. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 26 cents and Doge might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 23 cents and a low of 22 cents in 2025. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2026. Assuming that Dogecoin effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 33 cents, with a base cost of 29 cents and a typical cost of 31 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 38 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 37 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a most extreme value worth of 40 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 46 cents. On the off chance that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 48 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 44 cents. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to Rush Association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 52 cents and a yearly cost close above 55 cents in 2029. Dogecoin Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 59 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 63 cents, averaging out at 60 cents. And as one of the first elective monetary standards, Dogecoin was created as a fast and prompt installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain engineering. The venture's objective was to fabricate areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-understand Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of cryptographic forms of money had proactively acquired broad acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Thus, the Dogecoin people group immediately shaped to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first promoted as image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba Inu K9 variety's eminent logo for Dogecoin. In spite of all chances, Doge has ascended to the highest point of the digital money market, generally due to web-based entertainment publicity and its openness to a great many worldwide socioeconomics. What is the Dogecoin cost today? Today, Dogecoin is exchanging at 7 cents with a complete market capitalization of $10,995,560,345. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. In view of this, it is shrewd to say that Doge is a decent decision of speculation. How high might Dogecoin at any point go? The typical cost of Dogecoin might potentially reach 10 cents this year. Over the course of the following 5 years, it is projected that Dogecoin might outperform 48 cents. What amount will Dogecoin be worth